In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT unusual activity error fast, using a few simple steps that usually get things working again in just a few minutes. This error can happen when ChatGPT thinks your connection looks suspicious, but the good news is that in most cases, it is not permanent and you can fix it without any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. First, the fastest thing to try is turning off your VPN. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it completely before you do anything else. ChatGPT can sometimes flag VPN traffic as unusual activity because your IP address may appear to change too often or look like it is coming from a restricted location. Once the VPN is off, go back to ChatGPT and reload the page. In many cases, that alone is enough to clear the error and let you sign in or continue using the site normally. If the issue is still there, the next step is to switch your network. For example, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, try disconnecting and using mobile data instead. If you are already on mobile data, switch to a different Wi-Fi network if you can. This works because ChatGPT may be reacting to your current IP address, and a new network gives you a fresh connection that can instantly fix the problem. A lot of the time, this simple network change is the quickest solution. If that does not solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is a very common fix for strange login or loading issues. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear the cache and cookies for your browser. After that, close the browser completely and open it again. Then return to ChatGPT and try logging in once more. Old stored files can sometimes interfere with how the website loads, so refreshing them can make a big difference. Another thing to keep in mind is that this error may just be temporary. Sometimes ChatGPT places a short block on a connection if it detects unusual behavior, and that block can disappear on its own after a few minutes. So if you have already tried turning off your VPN, switching networks, and clearing your cache, the final step is simply to wait about 5 to 10 minutes and try again. During that time, avoid refreshing too aggressively or repeatedly signing in and out, because that sometimes makes the issue last longer. So to recap, the quickest fix is to turn off your VPN, reload ChatGPT, switch to a different network if needed, clear your browser cache and cookies, and then wait a few minutes if the block is temporary. These steps solve the unusual activity error for most users without needing any complicated settings changes. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast tutorials like this. And if you are still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll try to help you fix it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.